Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is our channel, but before that I want to tell you something. If you think that I record this video because of, I don't know, Bang Chan or Felix from Stray Kids, because they're Australian accent or something like this, you are completely right. You are completely right. How did you get that? You're good. Okay, yes, I'm here because of that. So welcome to Ellery channel, welcome to my channel. This is me, this is you, this is, oh my god, let's go. Okay, yes, Australian accent, or I've heard Aussie or AC, I don't know, AC accent. I don't know exactly the pronunciation of that. Oh, somebody has to come to me and tell me that before you get the exact accent, please go and brush up on your English, advance your English level or something. After that, go to and tell us that how to speak like Australian, how to speak this accent, that accent. Before that, please go and advance in English. After that, come here, sit and tell us how to pronounce like Australian accent and stuff like this. So yeah, tell me if it is the pronunciation, it's Aussie accent or AC accent. I really don't know because I'm not that fluent in English. So I'm sorry. So before that, no, not before that. Let's go. Yeah, I really had energy today because as you know, I'm kind of started to love Stray Kids, be a fan of Stray Kids, and I'm so happy. Yeah, and since I started to be fan of Stray Kids, and since the time that my ears just heard the Felix and Bang Chan pronunciation, Australian, their accents, I was like I didn't know that Australian accent is that beautiful, is that sexy. It's just perfect. Okay, first of all, I have something here. I just search through the internet and how to speak like Australian or stuff like this. And I found this site. The first tip is change the letters at the end of the word. I know. Try changing the letters at the end of some word, especially the R sound. So super after and dinner become super. It would be like super. You have to use short a or at the end of the word. If it is R, for example, super, it's not. I think British is super. I think super. You have to speak like from here. So whenever I wanted to, get the vibe of Australian accent, I would speak from here, and my voice become deep, and after that I just failed. Okay, super. Okay, after would be after. I don't know exactly what's the difference between British English and Australian accent, British accent and Australian accent, but I don't know. If you know, please write for me. After, okay, dinner would be dinner. Yeah, dinner. So shorten your words. Tip number 2: shorten your words. Australians love to shorten their words because who has time for all those letters? Oh, swag. For example, a service session is a servo. Oh, that much shortened? Okay. So service session, for example, would be servo. Add an EY or IE to words. Present is prezi. Oh, really don't know that. Present is prezi. Prezi. Guys, I really don't know. Yeah, don't take lesson from this video because I'm like you that maybe you go to the internet, search how to speak like Australian accent and you'll find this video. No, I'm not here to teach you. I'm here to learn with you from these tips. Prezia. Prezia. Breakfast is brekkie, huh? And mosquito is mozi. Amazing. Mozi. Pronounce double O sound like U-E-W. Australians say pool. Australians say pool, school, and cool like pool, school. School. Yeah, it sounds like from. It seems like it's from here. You have to pronounce from here. So pool, it would be don't have to open your mouth and say pool. I've heard one time Felix said, I don't know why I remember that now suddenly out of blue, but he said wallet.
Your wallet.
And Han was like,
Ooh.
Han really, I think like that accent, like us, like me, like you. I think all of the Stray Kids really love wallet. You know, Felix accent is just not comparable.
Your accent was sexy. Oh, really?
A school would be a school, and cool would be cool. Cool. Okay. That's it? Oh my god, I think that's it. Another side, let's see. Where's other tips? I need more. It's a side. In your best American accent, I want you to say these 3 words. Good, I might. Now say them a little faster. Good, I might. Faster again? Okay. Good, I might. Forget about enunciation. Okay, forget about enunciation and good I might. Is that? I think it's good day might, huh? So good I might. Good. We blend just good I might or like good I might. Another one. Once more, I want you to see these 3 words. Raise up lights. Now say them faster. Raise up light. Raise up lights. It should sound like you are saying raise up lights. Raise up lights. Raise up lights. Let's migrate to Australia, and I think it's a easy way to learn it like exactly like them. Not the easy one, but at least okay. Yes, and see you next time with another video, and hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me below comments if you want to add something, but I might. But before that, I wanted to say hi and even goodbye to Hyunjin. I'm sure that he's watching us. Hello, bro. Keep doing it. Keep doing learning Australian accent. This accent is amazing. Yeah, I feel you. Let's everybody say hi to Hyunjin that is here watching us. Hi and bye.